Today we'll be making a delicious puff pastry dessert with a touch of cinnamon. Here are the simple ingredients you'll need. 50 degrees of butter, cinnamon to taste, brown sugar to taste, 1 pack of puff pastries. Now let's dive into the method. 1. Roll out the puff pastry dough on a clean surface. 2. Generously brush the surface with melted butter for that rich flavor. 3. Sprinkle a delightful amount of sugar and cinnamon according to your taste preferences. 4. Roll the pastry into a log shape. And carefully cut it into slices. 5. Place the slices face up on a baking tray, lined with parchment paper. 6. Pop it into the oven and let the magic happen for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. And there you have it, a scrumptious cinnamon puff pastry delight, perfect for any sweet tooth craving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.